Do you know 99% of people can't tell the difference between Boeing and Airbus? Let's fix that in 60 seconds. Boeing planes are known for their hands-on feel. Pilots use more manual controls, making it feel like you're really flying the plane. Airbus, on the other hand, relies heavily on computers. Most actions are controlled by a fly-by-wire system, which stabilizes the plane automatically. Airbus cockpits are almost identical across all models, making it easy for pilots to switch planes. Boeing cockpits vary more, so pilots need extra training for different models. Famous Boeings? The 737 and the massive 747. Airbus counters with the A320 for short flights and the giant A380 for long hauls. So, Boeing equals hands-on, Airbus equals tech-heavy. Which side are you on? Comment below.